Hello my friends, I have another abstract background for Fusion Davinci Resolve, and today we will be making this. Files you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. And now let me show you what's going on here. Let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates, and folder where you extracted the file. Just drag and drop abstract background number 11, connect to the media out, wait few seconds to render, and then you will get this. And now let me show you what's going on here. Ungroup just like this, and start from the bottom. You will have background, you will have duplicate, and this duplicate controls everything. I will turn off this duplicate and show you here. Press number 2 on the keyboard for this merge, and then you will get the circle. There are two smaller circles. This one is for the background. As you can see, this one is for the light yellow border, and this one is for the cuts on the circle. This you make with this rectangle. This rectangle you can adjust bigger or smaller, so you can make it full circle or just cut a little bit. And now let me show you. When you click on this merge and turn on the duplicate, you will see when you adjust the size of this rectangle, this white border will be bigger or smaller. So if I adjust a little bit bigger, now you will see the bigger border. Yeah, just like this, or full circle. Yeah, just like this. And I did I will show you here. I also animated here. You can see the rotation. It will rotate. And animation was done in the duplicate. It's go from the left to right animation. Okay, that's it. This one is very simple. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.